This time we're supposed to convert binary numbers to octal. Anytime you will convert binaries to octal, you're supposed to just divide binary number in groups of 3 bits, and every group of 3 bits convert to 1 octal digit. So, how many bits we have over here? We have 1, 2, 3 bits. This is binary 6, because we have weights 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 2 gives me 6. So this is my octal 6. And this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at the next example. This time we're supposed to convert binary 2 to octal. Please notice that this number has just 2 bits. We said that we're supposed to make the groups of 3 bits. If you're missing bit, you're supposed to make one, and you are going to always add zeros. So if you miss the bit, you're supposed to put 0 as the most significant bit. So we have 3 bits. 3 bits, and this is nothing else, just binary 2. We have 1, 2, 4. This is binary 2. That's why my answer is simply octal 2, because this is 2. Next one. We're supposed to again make the groups of 3 bits. This is binary 7, that's why I'm going to write 7 over here, and binary 7, this is 7. This is the solution to this problem.